Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Oh, chronic renal, chronic na to. Dahan-dahan pagkasira ng kidneys, renal function. Althea. Malyar. Nandiyan ka ba?
Yes po.
Record mo ha. Last na to, CRF.
Okay po.
Renal chair. 30. Dalawa na lang. Anyway. Okay, so dahan-dahan pagkasira ng ano, ang isa kasi bigla na lang, ito dahan-dahan, irreversible na. Ha? Pero may nagsasabi na gumagaling naman sila sa CKD ito eh, CKD, sulat natin. Also called CKD, chronic kidney disease. Okay, gradual, progressive, dahan-dahan, sinisira ang kidneys, causing severe renal dysfunction. Another definition, irreversible destruction of kidneys that continues until nephrons are replaced by scar tissue. Okay, so loss of renal function is gradual. Hypervolemia can occur owing to the inability, hypervolemia, okay, can occur owing to the inability of the kidneys to excrete sodium and water. So nagbi-build up ang fluid sa katawan. So, hypervolemic ka na, may fluid volume excess ka na. Okay? Or hypovolemia can occur owing to inability of the kidneys to conserve sodium and water. Pwedeng ganon, hypervolemia, pwedeng hypovolemia. The result is azotemia. Okay, let's discuss what is azotemia. Lagay natin. Pula. Underline. Azotemia is elevation or build-up of nitrogenous product. Okay? Yung waste products mo, o yung waste products na hindi na lumalabas sa katawan mo, so nagbi-build up, mataas ang blood urea nitrogen at saka yung creatinine. Creatinine in the blood and other secondary waste products within the body. Azotemia, elevated ang BUN at saka creatinine, hanggang uremia. Ano yung uremia? This is a dangerous uremia, is urine. Dangerous condition that occurs when waste products, yung toxins associated with decreased kidney function build up in the blood. Uremia means urine in the blood. Ibig sabihin, yung urine mo, instead na iihi mo, nag-mix na with the dugo, with the blood. And it will circulate throughout the body. Uremia yun. Lagay natin. Uremia. Sirang-sira na ang kidneys. To the point na magkakaroon ka ng uremic frost. Alam mo yung uremic frost, yung parang dami ka ng, alam mo yung frozen ka na, dami ka ng puti-puti sa katawan, urine yun eh. Ano nag-build up sa skin mo. I'll talk to you. I'll talk about that later. Predisposing factors, DM. Diabetes mellitus, which is a worldwide leading cause, because ang sumira ng kidneys ay yung dahan-dahan na sinisira ng ang kidneys ay because of DM, diabetes mellitus. Okay, and this is the worldwide leading cause. Okay, ano pa? Maybe due to recurrent, but the number one cause, bakit CKD, is because of DM. Pero it could be due to infections, recurrent, pabalik-balik na infection ng kidneys. Okay, exacerbation of nephritis. Nephritis is infection of the kidneys, tapos pabalik ng balik. Urinary obstruction and hypertension. Okay, patupisyo, as renal functions decline, retention, pag hindi na nagfo-function ang kidneys, okay, nare-retain ang products of metabolism, ang toxins, nare-retain, causing uremia. Okay. May stages kasi ang CKD or chronic renal, CRF or CKD, may stages yan. Stage 1, kung ang GFR, glomerular filtration rate is 40 to 75%. 40 to 75% loss of nephron function. Stage 1 na yun. Pag stage 2, renal insufficiency, about 75 to 90% loss of nephron function. 90% na. Talagang, umiihi pa ba to? Parang hindi na to umiihi. Ha? Pag stage 3, ESRD na. ESRD is end-stage renal disease. Ha? So kung more than 90% na ang functional loss ng kidneys, ay dialysis. Dialysis is the treatment. What are the clinical findings ng CRF? Nausea, nasusuka na ba? So, nahuhilo, nasusuka ang pasyente, decreased urine output. But sometimes, pag nandun na 90% sira na, CKD na, hindi na umiihi. Hindi na umiihi ang pasyente. Ano pa? Okay, azotemia. These are the clinical findings. Azotemia, meaning elevated na masyado ang BUN at saka yung kanyang creatinine. Hypertension, which is a late hypertension is a late sign because ang early sign is hypotension. Convulsions na, pag umabot na yung ihi mo kasi nag-uremia ka na kasama ng urine sa katawan kailangan talaga mag-dialysis para yung dialysis machine maglinis ng kidneys mo, ng dugo mo. Okay? Ano pa? Uremic frost. Ang uremic frost ay para kang karne na nilagay sa freezer at marami kang frozen ka. Yan. Makikita mo yun sa pasyenteng may CKD. Uremic frost. May puti-puti ng parang akala mo galing sa freezer. Okay? Pero urine yun. Dyspnea, lethargy, memory impairment, and congestive heart failure. Okay. What are the signs and symptoms? In terms of integumentary, yung skin, dry skin, makate, uremic frost. Nilagay ko dati ito, meaning ng uremic frost. Urine na nandun na sa system mo. Hindi na kasi lumalabas ang urine, di ba? Uremic frost. In terms of central nervous system, may seizures, altered level of consciousness, anorexia, fatigue, cardiovascular, acute MI, edema, hypertension. These are the yung mga ng CRF, yung CKD. Nangyayari mo, uremic lungs, yung lungs mo mayroon ng mga puti-puti because of the elevated yung ihi napunta na sa lungs. Hema, in terms of hema, may anemia, musculoskeletal, loss of strength, foot drop, on osteodystrophy. Clinical findings, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Okay, stage 1, stage 2, diminished renal. Remember, ang stage 1 is hanggang 75% na GFR loss. Stage 2 hanggang 90%. Hindi na umaandar yung kidneys. Pag hindi na talaga 90%, more than 90%, end stage talaga. ESRD. Hindi na talaga sorry. Progressive irreversible destruction of the kidneys that continues until nephrons are replaced by scar tissue. Loss of renal function is gradual. Ito yon. In some books, ito yon. 5 ang stages. 5 ang stages ng CKD. Chronic kidney disease. When a kidney is damaged, it has trouble filtering may problema siya sa filtering waste products, example, creatinine from the blood. The glomerular filtration rate or the GFR shows how well the kidneys filter blood. Okay? So pag stage 1 CKD, normal pa siya. Ang GFR niya is more than 90%. Ibig sabihin, nagpa-function pa talaga. More than 90% pa ang pag-function ng GFR. Pag stage 2 niya, GFR is hanggang 60 to 89% na lang functional. Stage 3, GFR 30 to 59 na lang percent. Ha? Ang functioning niya, ang GFR. Okay, stage 4, 15 to 29 na lang. Pag stage 5 CKD, less than 15% na lang ang GFR, ang functioning, ang pag-filter. Nakuha? So pagdating dito, ay kailangan na i-ano yan. Kailangan na i-dialysis. Ayan. So diagnostic exams, 24-hour creatinine. Remember, specific ito creatinine. 24-hour creatinine clearance, urinalysis, protein, sodium. Ito yung mga kukunin mo sa dugo. WBC, BUN, protein, specific gravity, platelets, calcium decreased, and CBC. The reason why kukunin yung CBC is because to determine the degree of anemia. Gaano ba siya ka-anemic? Medical management, diet restrictions, tapos multivitamins, maybe because anemic siya, so kailangan niya maybe Iberate or Hemarate with folic acid. Yan. Hematinics yung mga increase ng blood. Or maybe erythropoietin. Kailangan niya ng may drug for erythropoietin, to increase erythropoietin. Antihypertensives and anti-seizures. And of course, medical dialysis. Ito na yung ating trabaho. Prevent neurological complications. Assess every hour for signs of uremia. Anong mga signs of uremia? Urine in the blood. Emia. Mia is dugo uremia. Fatigue, loss of appetite, decreased urine output, apathy, loss, parang loss of, level of consciousness, mababa na. Elevated blood pressure, edema of the face, and feet, itchy skin, restlessness, and seizures. Prevent neurological complication, assess for changes in mental functioning. Because, remember, yung yung ihi niya, yung dugo niya may ihi. Nag-uremia na So, pwede maka-apekto sa kanyang mental functioning. Orient confused client. Yung pasyente dito medyo confused na because of uremia. Okay? Confused client of time, place, date, and persons. Institute safety measures to protect client from falling out of bed. Ano pa? Promote optimal GI function, gastrointestinal function. How? Assess and provide care for stomatitis. Ano ba yung stomatitis? Source. Ano ba yung Singaw. Assess or provide care for stomatitis. Okay? Usually, ang stomatitis, kasi hindi ito makakain Hindi makakain kasi masakit yung singaw Usually, pinapagmumog ng something na parang anesthesia para hindi niya maramdaman yung sakit ng singaw. Monitors nausea and vomiting and anorexia. Administer anti-emetic or anti-pagsusuka as ordered, and assess for signs of GI bleeding. Ano pa? Okay, monitor and prevent alteration in fluid and electrolyte balance. So, kailangan mo talaga yung fluid and electrolyte balance. Kailangan intake and output, and also yung pinupunan ng dugo ito para mag-maintain mo. 5 lang naman ang mga fluids, mga electrolytes dyan. Ay, magnesium, calcium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, ano pa yung iba? Calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium. Okay, tapos may phosphates, mga ganon, mga phosphates. So, kailangan i-monitor yun. Dapat normal values lang. Assess for hyperphosphatemia, ha? Kasi it causes muscle cramps, paresthesia, seizures. And administer aluminum hydroxide gels, amphogel as ordered. Nurse intervention, promote maintenance of skin integrity. Pag pruritus, kailangan niya ng calamine lotion against pruritus, or maybe per doctor's order, pag magbibigay kayo ng cetirizine. Okay, assess for uremic frost. Uremic frost is urea crystallization on the skin. Okay, urea is the end product of protein, crystallization on the skin, and bathe in plain water. Monitor for bleeding complications, prevent injury to client, monitor hemoglobin, hematest all secretions, administer hematinics as ordered, and avoid chronic renal failure. Avoid IM injections. Maintain maximal cardiovascular function, monitor blood pressure, auscultate for pericardial friction rub, perform circulation checks routinely. Maintain maximal cardiovascular function, okay. Modify drug doses and provide care. Of course, modify drug doses per doctor's order yan. Kung imo-modify mo ang drug, Provide care for client receiving dialysis because usually naka-dialysis. Important drugs sa CKD, amphogel or your aluminum hydroxide. Okay, Kayexalate. Kayexalate is a diuretic na potassium sparing. Kayexalate actually sa States. Pag nasa US kayo, ano yan? Kasi ang diuretics mayroong loop diuretic. Ang loop diuretic kasi, example of this would be your Lasix or furosemide. Ano yun potassium waster. Wini-waste na yung potassium. Ang kayexalate is potassium sparer. So this kayexalate binds with potassium to manage hyperkalemia. Okay, ano pang mga important drugs? Diuretics to decrease edema, just in case yung pasyente may edema. Erythropoietin, ito, Epogen pala. Epogen, bigyan ng Epogen to increase red blood cell production, and antihypertensive to manage hypertension. So, basahin nyo lang ito just in case mag-Rivalida. Ito yung sabihin nyo sa Rivalida. CKD. CKD also called CRF. Chronic renal failure. Number one cause bakit nag-CKD is diabetes. Okay? With over 7 years of proteinuria. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng proteinuria is every time umiihi ka, yung protein lumalabas. Because protein should never be ang protein kasi dapat gamitin ng katawan, hindi dapat iniihi. Protein in the urine is hindi maganda. Prognosis. Okay. So that's about it for GUT. Next natin is CD. Kasi konti naman, 2 weeks na lang naman ulit. 2 weeks na lang ulit, tapos semifinals na. Can you imagine, ang bilis? Tapos second sem na, tapos kayo na ang magko-course audit. Level 4. Any questions?
Wala po.
Walang questions? Okay, you visit your LMS for our AEAP. And answer, nothing to study, just as grammar quiz. Grammar quiz ulit. Ha? Tingnan natin yung mga have, has, have not. Okay. Exams natin ng semifinals is maybe after the ng midterms is after the academics na. Okay? So any more questions?
Ma'am,
Wala?
ano pong included sa exam?
Lahat ng GUT. Lahat ng GUT since start. BPH, maraming, UTI, CRF, ARF, yan. Basta everything about GUT. Genitourinary tract. Kasi sa ano naman natin, puro, lang yun, CBI lang yun eh. Sa skills natin. That's about it for today. Makinig ulit tayo ng Alice Guo. Sarap
Thank
kaya
you po.
makinig. That's about it. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.